Hi everyone, so today we're going to look at how to create a new project in MPLAB XIDE. Alright, so if you see here, right, on the ribbon here, okay, so you have a plus button on the folder. So basically you can click that to create a new project. So here you can just leave it on the categories as Microchip Embedded and standard project. Okay, so next, and you may select the device, okay, that you're going to use. Let's say it's PIC 16F 887, right, for instance. Okay, so I'm going to use this PIC. Right, so next is selection tool. Right, so I always like to work with my Pro Tools to see the animated output of my circuit design. Okay, so for that reason, I have installed Pro Tools VSM Viewer, where you can find that from the tools. I'll show you later how to download that. So for now, I have already downloaded the Pro Tools VSM Viewer, so I'm going to select that. Right, then I'm going to click next. Okay, so over here, this is a very important section where you have to select your compiler tool. Okay, so over here, I'm going to use XC8. Alright, so many of you might be familiar with high-tech PICC, so you can use that as well. So for my case, okay, for my tutorials, it's going to be XC8 code. So make sure you have the latest version downloaded in your PC. Right, so by clicking download latest, it will download the latest compiler in your system. Then you can actually select. Okay, so here I have already downloaded and it's stored under a D drive. Okay, by default it will store this particular compiler in the C drive. So if you like to change the directory, so you have to add that directory by manual. Okay, so maybe we can have a separate session on how to add that manual compiler process. Okay, so as of now, we focus on how to create a new project. Yeah. All right. So we have created. I mean, we have clicked on XC8. The latest version here is 2.10. Right. So next, okay, give a name for your project. Okay, demo project. Okay, maybe project 1. Right, so you can select where you want to store your project and the folder. Okay, I'm putting it under the cloud so that I can work on my system. Okay, either in my home PC or the working laptop. So sometimes I'll bring the working laptop to my workplace, so I need to have access on that particular project. So I used to store my things under the storage. So you can do that as well. Okay, if you have more than one system to work on. Okay, so over here, you can just leave it as it is. Alright, then you click finish. Okay, wait for some time for the MPLAB XIDE to create your project. Okay.